how to disable Facebook face recognition feature on Android phone. Here in this video today guys, I'm going to show you step-by-step procedure that you can follow to disable the face recognition feature in your Facebook account. Facebook infected this feature so that you'll be able to know when someone has downloaded and uploaded your picture on Facebook. Either they use it as their profile picture, or they use it as a post or Facebook story. So whichever one they use a picture for, with this picture on Facebook, you'll be able to know and you'll be tagged to the post. But Facebook also give you an option to disable this feature at will. So if you are interested in disabling the Facebook face recognition feature on your Android phone, kindly follow the step-by-step procedure I will share with you in this video. So in this video, I'm going to consider disabling the face recognition feature on Android phone using the Facebook app, as well as going through how to disable the feature on your Facebook account using a web browser. So to start with, we're going to launch our Facebook app. We click on the hamburger setting to the top right. So we scroll down to settings and privacy. Now we need to click on settings. So we scroll down the page until we get to face recognition. Now you will be told that the settings allow you to recognize whether you are in a photo or video. So when this feature is enabled, when a video or photo in which you featured is uploaded, you will be tagged to it and you will be notified. But if you are not interested in letting this feature automatically tag you to videos or pictures you are in on Facebook, then click on do you want Facebook to be able to recognize you in videos and photo? Tap on it. Now on the new page, you need to click on no. So when you tap on no, it will disable the face recognition on Facebook on your account. So you need to tap no, and wait for the option to be selected. Fine. So when you click on the back button now, henceforth Facebook will not be able to recognize you in video and photos, either uploaded by you or by your friends. So the next thing is we're gonna go to how to enable face recognition, how to disable face recognition in Facebook web. So you need to open your web browser. So in this case, we're gonna open Chrome and go to facebook.com. So we already logged into our account. So in your own case, if you are not logged in, you need to log into your account. So now click on the more option to the top right of your Facebook app and click on desktop settings. So you need to load your Facebook account on a desktop site for quick access. So you need to click on the more option to the top right, click on settings and privacy. Now the next thing you need to do is you need to click on your settings. Now while on settings, look through the page and look for face recognition, then tap on it. When you see face recognition, now you see that my face recognition is enabled. So in this scenario, Facebook will notify me when my image or video features in any upload on the platform. But since I don't want my image or picture, since I don't want Facebook to tag me that my picture or image has been uploaded by me or by someone else, by family or friends, or someone else that downloaded my image and use as profile picture, so I need to click on the edit button. So you need to click on the edit button. So click on yes drop menu and select no. Now when the no is selected, then you need to click on close. So let me refresh the page for you to confirm that it has been changed to no. Now my Facebook face recognition has been disabled. So with this step-by-step procedure, you can move Facebook from tagging you to video and photos that are uploaded by someone else on Facebook. So if you enjoyed this video, please hit the like button and do subscribe to our YouTube channel for great updates like this.